In this video we will discuss about indexing in a tuple. We can access the tuple using index operator. Tuple can be accessed using either forward or backward indexing as we have seen for strings and lists previously. The forward indexing of elements in tuple starts from index 0. The backward indexing of elements in tuple starts from index -1. If we try to access the tuple using an invalid index number, then an error will be thrown as tuple index out of range. We can use only integer as an index for the tuple, as a tuple can hold another tuple, so we can access nested tuple elements using nested indexing. Let's discuss the indexing in a tuple using a program. In the program, a tuple name's tuple string is initialized with 7 values from character A till character G. Before writing the program, let's understand how the index will be for the 7 elements declared in the tuple. There are 2 types of indexing, as forward indexing and backward indexing. Forward indexing starts from 0, so index of A will be 0, index of B will be 1 and so on. Backward indexing starts from -1. For backward indexing, count the number of elements first. Here we have 7 elements in the tuple, so start from left side as -7, which will be the index of A, followed by -6 as index of B, so on. The final index will be -1 for character G. First print statement is added to print the tuple value at index 0. Second print statement is added to print the tuple value at index 6. The first print should print the value as character A for index 0 and second print should print the character G for index 6. When executed, we can see that it prints the value for index 0 and 6 as A and G respectively. Adding print statements for backward indexing now. Third print statement is added to print the tuple value at index -1. Fourth print statement is added to print the tuple value at index -6. The third print should print the value as character G for index -1 and fourth print should print the character B for index -6. When executed, we can see that it prints the value for index -1 and -6 as G and B respectively. Next we will add a tuple within a tuple. One tuple can contain another tuple within it. Such tuples are called as a nested tuple. A tuple is added with 4 elements as H, I, J, and K inside the tuple string at index 7. As it's at index 7 and considering forward indexing, so adding print statement to print the tuple element. Similarly, as part of backward indexing, the index value will be -1, so adding print statement for the same. When executed, we can see that it has printed the tuple values as part of forward indexing for index 7. And then the same values are printed for backward indexing using index -1. Now suppose we just want to print one of the element from nested tuple as character J. So for that we need to add 2 square brackets. As the inner tuple is at index 7, so the first square bracket will have index 7. Then character J is at index 2 in the inner tuple, so the second square bracket will have index 2. When executed, We can see that it has printed the value as j, which is a part of inner or the nested tuple.